Hello everyone. I am Manasa GK. I am from Government Engineering College, Huinadagali, in studying in fourth year ENC branch. I have successfully completed in internship MRTech. Today I am going to give presentation on microwave oven simulation in MP Lab and PICSIM Lab. Table of contents. Today we are going to discuss about table of contents. What is microwave oven? Requirements, embedded system, microcontroller and microprocessor, PICSIM lab, CLCD, matrix keypad, ISR, timer, project implementation. Next, what is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to heat the food using microwave, which is off from electromagnetic waves. There are several modes in various microwave oven. We are going to implement 4 modes: microwave mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode. Microwave mode. This mode is used to cook in a traditional way. It uses a maximum power of 900 watts. 900 watts. In this, the maximum time that you set for cooking 60 minutes. Next, grill mode. This mode is used to cook meat and bread. It works as the micro mode, but the purpose is to cook meat and bread. User can set times as per the cooking time of the meat. Convection mode. In this mode, user can set the oven to preheat for a particular temperature, and it takes 3 minutes to preheat the oven. And after preheating is done, the user can set the time as per the requirements. Next, requirements. Knowledge in embedded C, MPLAB IDE, XC8 compiler, PICSIM Lab, PICSIM Lab Future, PIC 16F877A, 16x4 CLCD, tactile switch, MKP, matrix keypad, timer 2. Next, what is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of both hardware and software which is intended to do specific task. A general purpose system is used to perform large number of tasks. An embedded system is used to perform a specific task. Types of embedded system: standalone system, real-time system, network system, mobile. Next, standalone system. Standalone system, there are 2 types: slave system, independent system. Slave system, these systems are not intelligent even though these are embedded systems. These systems cannot take action by their own. Examples of slave system: semi-atomic washing machine. Independent system, these systems can take action by their own. Example, Google car. Next, real-time system. These systems are time-bound systems which will take action on a specified time. Failures in the system are not acceptable. Hard real-time system, frame real-time system, soft real-time. Example, airbag system. Next, network system. The systems which are connected to network. Example, home security system. Mobile system. The system which are movable are called mobile system. Example, robots. Next, components of mobile systems. Components of mobile system consisting of software, CPU, diagnostic ports, actuators, sensors, analog to digital converters, and digital to analog conversions, memory, etc. Embedded system types: low power consumption, cost efficient, efficient use of processing power, reliability, efficient use of memory. Microcontroller and microprocessor, an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specified task. It has a design restrictions such as memory size, input and output capabilities, peripheral functions, etc. Choose a microcontroller based on applications, performance, price, availability of tools, and specified capabilities. Difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Microcontroller. All components will be in a single chip and less flexible and less design complexity. Microprocessor. All components are assumed separately, more flexible and more design complexity. Next, project peripherals. PIC SimLab architecture. Micro The microcontroller of PIC SimLab architecture, PIC 16F877A, it consists user buzzer, matrix keypad, CLCD, general purpose input and output, analog to digital converter, LEDs. Next, syncing and sourcing circuit. This is for sourcing circuit. Sourcing circuit is a microcontroller act as an output tool. For the microcontroller point of view, the microcontroller acting as a input tool, the load, but it acting as a output for the microcontroller. It is giving the current flowing from the microcontroller tool. The load is called sourcing circuit. Next, this is for syncing circuit. The syncing circuit is a microcontroller act as a load which consumes power from the 5-volt sources. This is called syncing circuit. CLCD. CLCD stands for Character Liquid Crystal Display. In PIC SimLab, there are two types of display: 16x2 display and 16x4 display. It displays the ASCII character and some special characters. It is most commonly used display. Two types of communication mode: 4-bit mode, 8-bit mode. Tactile switches. This is tactile switches in two types of resistor circuit: pull down resistor circuit and pull up resistor circuit. This is pull down circuit. The switch is open. The controller will be zero. The resistor will be ground connected. And when the switch is closed, the controller will be zero to connect the VDD. Next, this is for full up resistor circuit. The switch is open. The controller is connected to the VDD to grade 1, and the switch is closed. The controller will be zero as the switch is connected to the controller. Tactile switch is a switch whose operation is by the by touch. This switch is used to select the mode of operation and to enter the temperature and to enter the time in our project. This switch will produce a bouncing effect when a switch is pressed. MKP stands for matrix keypad. This is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are connected in a rows and column concept. This is used when the more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller input and output lines. And these keypads are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital lockers, etc. This is for matrix keypad circuit. Interrupts. An interrupt is a communication process set up in a microprocessor or a microcontroller in which an internal or external device requests the microprocessor unit and microcontroller unit to stop the processing. Then the microprocessor unit or microcontroller unit acknowledges the request and attends to the request. Next, polling. It is the process where the computer or controlling device waits for an external device to check the radiances or state, often with low level hardware. Disadvantages of polling. Loss of events may occur during polling, poor response, less power management. Classifications of interrupts. Maskable and non-maskable. Maskable in two types, external and internal. Non-maskable in three. Interrupts as a two types, hardware and software. Hardware non-maskable and maskable. Maskable two types, external and internal. ISR. ISR stands for Interrupt Service Routine. An ISR is a software routine that hardware invokes in response to an interrupt, and ISR attends to the request of an interrupting source by the clearing the interrupt flag and should save register contents that may be affected by the code in ISR. It must be terminated with the instruction RETIE. When an interrupt occurs, the microprocessor unit completes the instructions being executed, then it disables global interrupt enable. Place the address from the program counter and disables global interrupt enable. Place the address from the program counter on the stack. Next, return from interrupt. Timer is an important application. Next, timers. Timers is an important application in an embedded system, which is default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in synchronous with a system clock or an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delay, etc. Timers and counters is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. Resolution, which is also called as register with 8 or 16 bit. Next, tick is referred as the change from one number to the another number. It may be up count or down count. Quantum, which depends on the system clock setting, is a measure of time which is responsible for the tick. Scaling may be prescaler or postscaler. Modes of timers or counters, PWM or pulse generation, etc. Project demo. Materials or software used. Software users MP Lab and PicSim Lab. Hardware users PIC16F877A module, LED module, fan module, matrix keypad module, tactile key mode, 16 cross 4 display model. Now we'll see the demo of project in MP Lab and simulate.
Now we will see the project demo. These are header files and these are source files. This is main source code. Now I have to do simulation part. Open the PicSim Lab. Before loading, we have make some configuration to the board. To select the board, to select PicGenius. Next, click on microcontroller. To select the PIC16F877A. Next, to clock speed, to select the 16 megahertz. Under LCD display, to select the 16 cross 4. Now we have to load the exa file to the board. Here displaying the 3 modes: micro mode, grill mode, convention mode of cooking. First one, micro mode. We have to click on first keypad. Now enter the time 5 seconds. Cooking is started. After the cooking is completed, second one, grill mode. We have click on second button. Enter the time will 5 seconds. Cooking is started. Cooking is completed. Next, convention mode. To click on third keypad. Here we have to enter the temperature. It should not exceed 250 degrees Celsius. It will show the error. And enter 50 degrees Celsius. Cooking is started.
ಹೆಂಗೋದನ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇರೋದು.
Cooking is completed. Here completes my project demo in microwave oven. Thank you for Emertex giving a internship.